Hello, very good evening, my friends, and who are the new research scholar. I'm here for and given presentations, given introduction, some part about the vision of a software developer towards the software development, or it's an field of an application or a field of an development of an software. Before starting these sessions, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Professor Amol Kasture. I am working as assistant professor for the MCS stream in Pune University. I have the 4 years of experience in academics as well as I have the 1 year of experience in industry as a software developer. And currently I have working with an research area as a software engineering. Currently pursuing the PhD also. I have presented many papers for the various areas like data mining, I got data warehousing. So I am here for the new research scholar. I want to share my own ideas, so that will be useful for the new research scholar as well as that will be increase my knowledge level. So today's my session topic is the vision of a software developer towards the software or towards an application development. If I say any student has passed his graduation, he has completed his degree from computer science, after all he or she want to make a career with an software company or we can say as a information technology. But side by side we have to keep control on various activity, like not only he want to set a career as a software developer, but also he or she want to be a expertise for that various areas. Suppose my friends, some who are doing graduation in BCA, some who are doing the graduation in BCS. Now they have to make the platform there as a Microsoft. They choose their platform as a Microsoft. Somebody has choose their platform as a Sun, and within that platform they have done their certifications. Now thing is that whatever certification they have completed, for that certification they are getting a job. So we cannot sure about that one, they definitely get a job in a Microsoft platform. As a fresher, firstly they want to work on different technology. It might be possible, consider an example, I am as a fresher and I completed my computer science graduation or I completed my computer science or computer application post graduation. Now thing is that I want to pursue career one information technology or one IT company. As a part of IT company, I am firstly looking for a good MNC. It's an multinational company. So for that multinational company has set their own criteria as like an academics record as well as the candidate must done some certifications. As per their criteria, I have all the qualification. But it is not limited that whatever qualification, whatever certification I have, on the basis of that they will provide job to me. Firstly, they will check for my knowledge. Obviously, if I have the platform on Microsoft, so they might be provide the project of an Sun platform or Linux as a software testing. So there are various areas for these freshers. Now, as per our topic, vision of a new beginner software developer toward the software development. What things exactly I need to focus? There are several factors. The factors like that, it's in quality, then adoption of new technology, then knowledge, what you can say, it's a domain knowledge of an various working areas, as well as we have to give the proper or expected output. Apart from this, I have one goal. As a developer, as a beginner, I have one goal that I want to set my career in information technology. Now, if I say information technology, there are so many branches for this information technology. Somebody want to make a career in programming, so they can move their motor towards as a software developer or a programmer. If anybody want to work as a good maintenance engineer, for that they need to fit criteria as a network engineer. Somebody want to make a career as a software tester, so like that one. So before selection of all these things, firstly, if you got any opportunity as a fresher, I need to accept that one. Afterwards, I need to move was my exact vision. Thing is that firstly, any company will provide me an opportunity, and afterwards I want to give an good quality in terms of whatever work assigned to me, that work should be done properly, and that should work also done within a time. Whatever expected output, that type of output should be covered in your application. While developing any application or while developing any software, I want to see the add some communication bridge between the as a client as well as my company. I want to handle this both entities, because only company satisfaction is not important. I want to look out the client satisfaction, because they have their own needs and I need to provide such a solution so that need get satisfied or fulfill in that application. So this is one of the quality factors as well as some output factors. Now next thing is that adoption of technology. Nowadays there are so many 4GL languages, like .NET is there, J2M is there, Android based application is there. Previously, suppose there is one organization, they are using a Visual Basic or a Fox Pro for the development, but nowadays I need to go for the market survey, which language or which technology preferably accepted by a client, preferably accepted by a new IT company. So I want to aware about all these things. I want to keep the knowledge of all this technology, and not only keeping a knowledge, I want to at least develop the one application without that knowledge. So thing is that whether or not I develop my application in Visual Basic, it's tied to simply convert that application in either .NET or some J2ME. So adoption of new technology. So day by day technology comes in a market, but basic fundas of language I need to perfect. I need to accept the new changes. That's one of the factors which will move towards the my vision. Now next thing is that market survey. So suppose for an example, I have this laptop previously. Now if you see the in 2010, now that there is a lots of publicity of tablet pieces. No, at least only 50 or 40% class they are going to use this laptop. So what is the exact market requirement? I need to look it out and see. I have found it out various factors, like at some quality, at some quality with an quantity, at some output, as an desired expected output, as well as on basis of market survey I ready to adapt the new technology. So with having the knowledge of all these things, then I decide where I need to set my legs, that's where I need to stand. Then and then I can move towards my goals. I easily achieve my goals, and that is one of the vision for a new software developer. And I hope each and everyone is moving by this step, each and everyone having such schedules, such idea in their mind. So thing is that you must be proficient about one of the technology. Side by side you are having the sound knowledge about this various technology, you are ready to adapt the changes. So that is the one of the things, so we can say it's a vision of a new software developer or a beginner towards the software industry. Nowadays there is another area for the research also. Few of people, it's not an compulsory they want to make career as a software developer. If anybody want to make a career as a one scientist, research scientist, for them we have another solutions. They can keep such a vision that so their career move towards the research. They want to develop a new, like a patent based application which will having lots of demand in the market. So that is one of the part. So I hope all of you understood exact vision And how to achieve that vision, there are lots of factors which will support to move towards the vision of an software developer as a beginner software developer. So this will be helpful to you. See, this is an important thing. This is an important session which is provide more help to a computer science students as one BCA, BCS or MCA also. So it's a best of luck for a new software developer, and they can easily start their career within software industry, and they can make a good practitioner in information technology. Thank you very much.